Hi kabayan! It's me, Edwin Medina, a financial educator of IMG Wealth Academy. So, why I joined IMG? Join IMG because, one, to help my fellow Filipino, especially OFWs. Second, for my future retirement. Okay? So, darating kasi po yung time na talaga tayo ay magre-retiro at babalik sa bansang Pilipinas. So, kung hindi ka nag-ipon na ngayon kumikita ka dito sa ibang bansa, so, ano yung gagastusin mo pagbalik mo sa bansang Pilipinas? So, kaya dapat habang malakas tayo at kumikita tayo ng pera dito sa abroad, so dapat po ay mag-save tayo at mag-invest. So, last February, I attended free online webinar training education given by IMG Wealth Academy here in Israel. So, they teach us how to become a saver and investor. They give also a program for your mindset and basic financial foundation on how to build your future. Iniimbitahan ko, kung gusto mo na mag-attend sa free online webinar training series, I will invite you from Sunday to Saturday. Bali, whole week po yun. Meron kaming kinakandak na education. 9:30 p.m. Israel time, 8:30 p.m. Europe time. Sa Philippines po, meron po kaming time sa 8:30 p.m. Philippine time, and other Asian country, 8:30 p.m. So, kahit saan ka po na lupalop ng mundo nandoon, as long as na meron kang device na magagamit with internet connection, ito po yung cellphone, tablet, or laptop, or even desktop, basta meron pong internet connection, pwede ka pong mag-attend. Okay? So, kung gusto mong mag-attend, just leave your comment below under this video. And meron ka makikitang link sa taas. Send your message here. Yes, I want to attend to learn. That's it. So, once I receive your comment or message, I'll call you back or I will message you as soon as I can para doon po sa ibang detalye about sa online webinar training series. Kikita mo po rito sa left side ko yung tinuturo namin about financial education. But definitely, matututunan mo lahat yan, lalo-lalo na pag ikaw po ay nag-decide to become a IMG associate. Okay? So, I will congratulate you ngayon pa lang pag nag-take ka ng massive action to become one of our associate here in IMG. So, that's it for now. Thank you and God bless you. Bye-bye.